Well, I certainly hope.
It's pretty wide, John.
Yeah, here we go.
Green.
Bloody hell, it's slippery. Take it off the caravan with it.
Oh, big more contact down there at the pink gate down by the Brady gate in turn 2. Ready? Oh, Jermaine's in trouble. Have a look at Sidcock's trailer sitting there upside down.
Thanks very much.
Oh, Graham and Stewart make the lifestyle down the front train. Got a fireball derby, our super fire rescue team. Moving past me at 1,000,000 miles an hour. That's Dario's brother, that's James Frank Kitty. The W Caravan Derby. Yeah! Not quite sure it's Dario's quality, but Jamie, I think his name is out there. What's the 115, John? Quite the chief real beast. Mark Jansen, of course, from Jack Daniels Racing. Showing his age there, he's got the old 115. Motorbike in the back. I thought you were talking about the car number. He's still got the old metal tank happening on that bike. It's a vintage. It's a vintage rocket. It feels nicely done. Nice side of the racetrack, the base of B down there in turn 1 and 2. Graham Stewart was left with a flat trailer. The 58 machine's still doing a pretty good job. Anthony Kane still on the caravan attack along with the 17 of Rusty. And he just clipped the down. The old number 7, the van. The old number 7 man is up on all twos again. He's got the big umpy on the back. And we can signal that he's been dismissed. Dismissed after 2 laps. Did you know that's what you get for bragging on the back of the caravan? Bit of action down through 3 and 4. Bit of door rubbing as they come out of turn 4. Jason Demolition coming around Axel. Not quite sure they qualified. Fans being carved up everywhere. Off the main, he's been run around. Axel trailing just about the whole way. Is that legal? And Mark Jensen in the Ford Newfield. They want him going to Kitty on the back. Goes to Kitty, highway to hotel. He's been hanging in nicely. Yeah, the Ford Newfield still doing very nicely. Then on the old meet double, Jack knifed it off the start line on the fourth lane, not through the the old green machine down through the 3 and 4. Dummy on the back, hangs on for dear life. Trailer surfing it down through 2, 1 and 2. Still got 1 lap to go. I'm not sure who Scotty Mack's going to wave the checker to here. Coming out. Who's going to be the green machine? It's going to be the B-double. Kept it all intact. Nice job. The road train. Oh, through comes Mark Jansen, the city and the bike intact. Did Jansen hit anything? in the wind.
Oh, it's bloody to do that.
Absolute